Hello everyone, my name is Felita. I am coming out to you today. Wanted to share some very important information with you regarding the blood type diet. And in today's video, I am going to share with you information regarding blood type O. And today I'm going to share the information with you on oils and fats that are either beneficial, neutral, and the ones you should avoid, okay? Again, this is for blood type O. Okay, so let's get started. So there are only 3 beneficials for blood type O. That would be flaxseed and linseed oil, olive oil, and rice bran oil. Those are the only 3 beneficials for blood type O. The neutrals would include almond oil, apricot kernel oil, black seed oil, borage seed oil, canola oil, chia seed oil, cod liver oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, macadamia oil, perilla seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, sesame seed oil, and walnut oil. The ones you should avoid would be avocado oil, coconut oil, corn oil, cottonseed oil, evening primrose oil, lard, margarine, palm oil, peanut oil, safflower oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, and wheat germ oil. All of those should be avoided in the red if you're a blood type O. Of course, everything in orange are considered neutral for a blood type O, but for blood type O, there are only really 4 oils and fats that are really beneficial for your blood type, and that would be the flaxseed and linseed oil, olive oil, and rice bran oil. Now, if you do not know your blood type, please click on the link in my bio. It will take you directly to my Amazon store, and you can purchase the blood type test. Also, if you would like to have your own copy of the information that I'm sharing with you, also click on the link in my bio. It will take you directly to where you can download the app, depending on whether or not you have an Android or an iPhone. Okay? All right. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next time, you take care. Take charge. Bye for now.